morning, guys. My name is Alexander. I'm 19, and this is day 27 of making myself better. Let's start working.
Alright, guys, and right now, cold shower and breakfast.
Alright, and after morning routine, I played some chess. Right now, I need to free space on this desk, and start building two PCs. Let's go. Look what I built again. This is my filming tower, and I'll film from that. And actually, this is our starting point. It looks like a real warehouse. Look, box, case, something on table too. All right, let's start working and let's see what we can do today.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Unfortunately, guys, this is everything I did. I just built it and I started, and it was locked with BitLocker. I unlocked it, just downloaded Windows, but I still need to set it up. Need to download drivers, Office, everything, and shoot it and post. I think that's everything for today. I'm going to the gym right now, and this is going to be everything for today. I don't think I'll be able to film after. I'll edit video and I'll just go to sleep. Thank you for being with me today. See you tomorrow.